My dog is very bonito. Hi everyone, the word of the day is bonito. Bonito. This means pretty. In some situations, it could mean beautiful, lovely, could also mean nice. Bonito is masculine and bonita is feminine. The plural form is bonitos or bonitas. Now let's see a few examples. Mi perro es muy bonito. Mi perro es muy bonito. Las canciones románticas son muy bonitas. Las canciones románticas son muy bonitas. Qué bonita te ves. Qué bonita te ves. Mira esas mujeres, son muy bonitas. Mira esas mujeres, son muy bonitas. Qué bonitos están tus zapatos. Qué bonitos están tus zapatos. A Mari se le ve bonito ese vestido. A Mari se le ve bonito ese vestido. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. This is today's card that you can download for free only for 7 days. It will help you remember this word. The link to download this card is in the video description down below. Also, you can visit smelessons.com where I have detailed articles about what we talk on this channel. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!